Hello great designers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel Purple Fashion In. Today I'll be teaching us how to make use of our press button machine to make our press buttons on our dresses, on our shirts or baby clothes. Please, if you find my video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. I'm counting on your likes and subscribes. Thank you. Okay, having marked where I want the buttons, the press buttons to be, as you can see I've marked them on the dress. Okay, so I'll need to make a hole with this sharp, if you have any sharp screwdriver, I'll need to make a hole in each of those marked points. So I'm making the hole at the marked, you put your fabric together, your shirt together, that's the two halves together. So I make a hole. Be careful while you are doing that so as not to destroy or spoil your fabric. Okay, I've made a hole already. As you can see, I have my screwdriver out already. Okay, you make a hole all through. Okay, so I'll make another hole here. So I'll be showing us how to fix on each side. Okay, as you can see, I have three different plastics here, different shape, three shaped different patterns. Okay, so I'll be fixing it on the first side first, the lower part, okay, where the other side will overlay on. So I would have fixed my dies into the machine. Okay, can you see it? I fixed it, then the receiver. Okay, the top die. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'm going to put the pointed part, one that has a sharp pointy pin. I'm going to put it into the fabric, the hole that I've made already. Okay, then I'm going to get the cover. This is the cover, and place it on it this way. Okay, just like I have it here, and place it. You ensure it is well placed and sitting well. Okay, like this. Then you just give it a press. That's all. I'll do one more for this side so we can see it clearly. Okay, remember the hole that I've made here already. I'll get the pointed one that has a pin. I'll put it there in the hole, just like this, and cover it up. It has a cover like this. Then place it into the machine. You ensure that it's sitting well. Then press it. That's all. Okay, so having fixed all the lower part, I'll be showing us how to fix the other part too. Remember, we already have a hole. Okay, already. Then we put this. Let me remove the pin. So also we put this into the hole like we did for the first one. And this is the cover for the other side. And put it, okay, like this, and you press it, put it on the press button machine, to the machine. You ensure that it's sitting well. Ensure that it's sitting well. You ensure that it's sitting well. Then I forgot to mention, you'd have changed your dies also. Can you see it? You change the dies. Okay, so now you ensure that it's sitting well. Then you give it a press. Okay, so can we see it? This is what it looks like. Okay, so I want to make another one. You put it into the hole that you have made already. The hole has to align with the lower part. Okay, then you cover it up just like this. Then you put it into the machine. Ensure that it sits well. It has to sit well into the machine. Then you press it down. So simple. That's all. Can we see it? Can we see it? Okay. Okay, as you can see, I've made them whole. Yes. So also at the collar parts. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you find my video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to get more tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.